Okay, so let's go through an example question analysis for the question you will be answering in this exam practice and revision book. Here's an analysis. Colours have been added to help you break down the question parts clearly, so have a look at the page afterwards to see the colours and to help you to understand the structure of the question. To remind you, your question for this exam revision practice is: to what extent can the ocean provide a sustainable global food supply in the future? Coloured in red are the words "to what extent." These are the task words in this question. So what is the question asking you to do? To what extent is asking you to consider how much. It's asking you to measure whether the phrase or phrases that follow the words "to what extent," in the other part of the question, that is, to what extent or how much they are true. In green in the question are the words ocean and food supply. These are your content words. From these words, you will know that the topic of the whole essay is the ocean as a food supply or potential supply of food for the whole world population. In blue in the question are the words global and future. These words tell us that we need to consider the ocean as a provider of sustainable food, i.e. for the future, and to consider whether this is possible for the whole world population. In other words, we are not just thinking about food from the ocean now or in the past, and we are not just thinking about it in one country. You are being asked to focus your attention on world food supply and how this will be in the future. Okay, take a look at that on the page itself with the colours to help you understand how the question works together. Now let's move on to the next step in the writing process: brainstorming and formulating a plan to answer the essay question. You should do this on your answer paper in the exam before you begin to write your essay answer. This will make sure the ideas in your writing are clearly organised, logical, and well developed.